Adarsh asks, कभी गान में डाला है क्या?
Only your mother, Adarsh. Next.
Oh God. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dudes Without a Clue, the number one podcast in the world from the bottom. My name is Rishu Kalipaka, joined by my fellow co-hosts Advait, Adri, and Protoshes.
Sam,
Whoa!
it's
What
been
an
too
intro.
long.
So much energy. Wow.
I miss this. It's been what? 1 month.
Yeah, it's been a month.
right?
It's been a month.
It's been a
Remember when
fucking
after
month.
10th episode we decided we'll do regular uploads now?
I mean, we can start doing regular uploads from now.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie, we could have done it,
We
but
stopped
then
doing it.
it's
So
No. I see. I think the main reason why we, I couldn't do for the this month was because I had my NEET exam, so I couldn't come and record. I put up my leave for that 1 month, saying okay, I don't want any distractions. I need to prepare for my exam, which went well. In my
Yeah,
defense,
that's
because
nice.
of the 1 month. Yeah, it
That's
went
nice.
well. I think we're all finished with our college exams or whatever.
Yeah, pretty
not
much.
exactly. It's college started, so like that fucking head rush was there for a while. Now it's
No,
fine, I
but
guess.
still,
It's
Advait,
gone,
you're
it's
still,
over.
you're
We're
still in school, right?
Yeah, but yeah,
Technically.
it's called college because it does not function like a school at all. It's walk in, walk out.
As you notice, we're doing only an audio version this time because
Yeah, the
we-
lack of video should have made that clear by now.
yeah, exactly.
And the fact that this is on
the
Spotify.
reason
The fact
reason
that you're on
is-
Spotify and not fucking YouTube in the
or
background.
YouTube.
Yeah.
The reason is because we all are very lazy at this point.
Yeah,
And
plus editing is a pain. I'll tell you that. It is the huge
Editing-
pain.
I'll be honest with you, editing a video is much simpler than editing audio.
It is. You
It's
can do other
very-
things while editing video. You cannot do other things while editing audio. You can't like have music running in the background.
No. What
How?
makes you
What?
think I'm running music in the background while editing video?
Seriously?
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why video is easier. But wait, we're doing a Q&A session, right? Okay, fine.
We are
we'll
doing
talk
that at
about
the end of the episode.
we'll talk about that later on.
Wait,
I
so
mean-
wait, I have a question for you guys. Are you guys genuinely excited for college, or like is it too hyped up?
No.
As I've already done with 3-4 weeks of with a month of college, it's okay.
Bro, after today, I got an idea, right? Like, after 27 seats, I saw go today for biotech. I saw of those 27, I didn't see everyone who got in, right? But based on the names, around 27 of them were girls.
Ah, you lucky bastard.
No, I thought there'd be a few guys, but in this entire counseling session, I didn't see in the list that is, there's not a single dude.
Bro.
You know
So
what's
we
kind
had
of
to-
weird though?
so we had to
Biotech
take
as a
a
subject
Huh.
is more chemistry than it is any other subject.
Hence why I quit it and decided I'll just sell people stuff. I think that's
No,
easier.
but I'll tell you even more weird thing is there is another course called biochemistry, so I don't know how that works anymore.
And biochemistry is actually just
More bio.
chemistry.
Yeah. No, but
But-
Really?
Biotech has, biotech. I saw the chapters. There were. I actually don't know what exactly they do differently, but the bio chapters and chemistry chapters, it's more chem than bio, and there are a lot of physics chapters.
of
So you
course,
just
no,
continued
so
PCMB.
So
Yeah, it
no,
is
no,
just a yeah, and
no,
math.
no. So see, Pratush, see
Mm.
this is what happens, right? The first year BTech, it's common for every other BTech program. Only in your second year is when you're gonna touch your core subjects.
Yeah.
First year you have to learn your C programming, you have to do your mathematics and math 1, math 2, then you have to do your physics, optics, is that fine. Only in the second year they're going to teach you human physiology and everything. The reason it's more chem is because that's the whole thing about biotechnology, right? You see what chemicals need to be inserted into some vectors and you need to implement them into living beings so that you can do genetic engineering, and that's basically genetic engineering, isn't it? That's why you see
Yeah.
more chemistry in biotech.
But honestly, what surprised me the most today was how many people actually took biotech. I'm saying biotech seats filled up before mechanical was halfway through.
That's what I'm saying. Biotech, that's so weird, right?
And
India
that's
does
only
not
this
have
year.
enough
Okay, the best way I can summarize it is that now biotech is the new mechanical. People think it's the big industry with the guaranteed jobs when it's probably the most
No,
competitive.
Adri, this is where you're wrong.
This is because of COVID.
Everyone who takes biotech are aware that there is
No job.
no scope for biotech in India. And in general, even if you want a good opening for a job, a corporate job through your engineering course, is to do your masters. Only
but see-
then you can start something.
a lot of people got this weird idea that this year, like, it's a good idea to go into the field of biotech
Because
because of
vaccines will be given
COVID.
importance
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. So they
If
thought, like,
anything, if anything, I
this
No,
feel
is
see,
a
in a
post
way,
COVID people care
it
about
is
vaccines
true.
less. That's one feeling I'm definitely gonna have. Like,
Yeah, no, see, you can. There are two ways to this. Of course, India is going to. I mean, not India. India has. I think. See, because of the STEM concept in India, everyone like no one really cares about biotech as an industry. So, like every single household has only two things: engineering or doctor. Now, when you talk about engineering, mostly mechanical or computer science comes into mind. No one really talks about biotech. Now, I think because of the current COVID situation, there will be a conversation about biotech, but obviously, it's not.
it's
It doesn't. You'll be getting a
already
job in like 4 years.
oversaturated.
No, and the other thing is when you're talking about jobs, biotechnology is very broad, correct? So
it's
there
extremely
is
broad. That's one more thing.
very broad. So like so that's what I'm saying. There is a good chance for you, or like even a decent chance for you to pursue this as a career and like, get a job is to do masters. You cannot sit for placements expecting
And
something.
the good thing about this field being as broad as it is that you could technically do a master's, sub, like if you do the required courses beforehand, obviously, and you
Yeah.
could do a master's in potentially any field you think you could relate with biotech.
Bio, yeah, because that
You could
it's so
do,
broad, the transition becomes simple.
like me and you, we are in this field. Yeah, we thought about it for a long time, sure, but I didn't expect it to be like this. That okay, I understand no one wanting civil engineering, 100%. I can understand that situation.
Hmm.
But mechanical not being touched was so confusing
Is
because if you look at what the general mentality is for people when they take engineering, is that they get a job in 4 years. And mechanical, you might not get a good job, but you'll get something at the end of 4 years.
Yeah.
yeah,
Right.
that's
And
that.
that's the other
See, the
thing.
mentality's changed to get a job in 4 years to get a job that pays you at least 8 lakhs in 4 years, which biotech seems to have seem more attractive that way. I don't know why, because
Yeah,
you'll have to do a master's in any
you
science.
have to do something. Yeah, correct. And
Hmm.
the other thing is the college I was going to, right? It has this thing that it's not a new concept or anything. I just don't see it in many other places where you minor in another course. And what's good about it is you can minor in the courses required to pursue that course as a master's,
Yeah,
right?
that's
So,
neat.
for example, if I was in BTech civil engineering, I can take the required computer science courses as a minor that lets me pursue computer science as a master's
Hmm.
because some colleges require you to have certain prerequisite courses completed for you to take it on as higher studies, right?
Yeah.
So you could just opt to do just those courses and then completely shift the angle for your master's, right?
Are you doing a similar thing?
Yeah, because I kind of want to get into data science later on.
Yeah, because you joined what, C programming, or what is it?
No,
Python.
R. I
R.
mean, yeah, I will be doing that.
I've been doing a few courses on Coursera. They're like
Uh-huh.
pretty decent. I
Yeah,
think I
you've been doing internships now, that.
I did one virtual internship long back, but then now I'm basically trying to focus on university applications and then
Uh-huh.
also doing courses and trying to get work experience so I can peacefully get into my university of my choice. I'm trying to apply to like University of Amsterdam, University of Maastricht, and then
Why
my
Amsterdam, bro?
Wherever the least strict laws.
wherever there is bud, you will find me.
It's like,
Okay, so
So you're
my
yeah,
putting
career or
so
weed. Hmm.
I mean you can do both.
You can do
It's
both
not
if you
that
get
hard to
into
manage.
University of Amsterdam. You'll be fine.
Yeah, so
Advait, are you
that's
putting DWAC in your resume?
Please
That's cool,
don't.
man.
Bro, I on my LinkedIn profile, it's written
Uh-huh.
co-host at Dudes Without a Clue podcast because I thought that was a flex.
It's
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 there.
it's a
It's there
hobby,
though.
bro. It's
Why
like
not?
me putting bassist in my Instagram bio. It's not supposed to be there. I can't play,
It's
but
it's
Wait,
but
Adri,
then
by
why
the way,
not?
huh?
Oh wait,
You
can I tell
can't
you guys
play,
a
but
story
he is the
about what happened
co-host.
after I put it on my LinkedIn?
Sure,
So then
shoot.
there's this guy. Oh wait, I'm gonna pull up my LinkedIn. So then
Adri,
he DM me. He so basically he has his own podcast and he has a company that you know how there's the company called Beam that used to like I know Casey Neistat is a huge promoter of that.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
what you're talking
So
about.
then
I think
so
that
then
don't
a
exist. Yeah.
platform so then there's this guy called James. He DM me. He's like, if you have a podcast and like the idea of booking high profile guests on your show, I'd like to invite you to my community filled with high profile experts across a range of different sectors, and it's called
Uh-huh.
matchmaker.fm, and it's like a podcast community, just people randomly guest appearing in random podcasts, increasing their reach and whatnot. Then I thought,
Mm-hmm.
what the fuck could we possibly do with a high profile guest on our podcast?
Okay, small thing, but do you guys think that the term celebrity is just thrown out too easily right now.
Yeah.
Like,
I guess that's because there's no
I don't
clear
think
line
celebrity. I
drawn.
think the word influencer is thrown
Yeah,
about.
yes.
no,
Yeah, bro. If
influencer
everyone is a
is.
fucking influencer, who the fuck you gonna
Yeah,
influence,
Advait,
bro?
you and me, bro. Influencers. Let's go.
You need at least like what 2,000 followers, I think.
Yeah,
and-
buddy, we need at least 1,000 followers.
It's okay, bro. Outside seems like influencer word is being thrown about so much. Like no one even you put influencer in your bio, you'll become influencer.
That,
That's how
Buddy,
it is.
I
really
don't
not
take
how
my
that
social
works.
media seriously at all. I have an Instagram business page for my main, and it says I'm a comedian. Okay, that's what it says.
That's not true.
Exactly.
You've never been
That's
funny.
what I'm saying.
Exactly. See, Adri gets it.
What I'm trying to say
Ouch.
is the word is thrown about so much. There is no eligibility criteria per se.
Yeah, you can just call yourself anything, it'll work. I might just
Exactly.
change mine to like, I don't know, fucking fitness expert or something just because I fucking go to the gym. You know, so people be like that. People put like,
Yeah.
I don't know, one makeup tutorial and then they're like fashion blogger, bro.
David Dobrik, he recently did an interview, and he said David Dobrik.
David Dobrik.
He said that his income in 2019 from Google AdSense, the whole of 2019 was $931.
That's
Bruh.
cap.
Good is
That's
content.
That's bullshit.
bad.
Yeah, but he earns money other ways.
He
Yeah,
earns
he-
money. That's what I'm saying. He
he's a
earns money from
YouTuber.
merchandise, and his deals with the ticket company,
Promotion
whatever.
deals, bro. And like everything with he flexes, he's basically promoting. So he gets paid for that.
Yeah, of course.
Guys, serious question. Why do YouTubers have like tours? Like, are they gonna perform or something?
No idea. They just come on stage and
Because I understand
haven't
why
seen
brands
anything.
have
They're
it.
meet and greets, Adri. They're
And
meet
but-
and greets. But
That's
since they go around the country, they call it a tour.
God.
Like imagine just going around like places just to meet people. That wouldn't make sense. Like, you know.
If you're a
See, if
actually
people are
talented
going and
person.
meeting, if the guy who put up the tour is earning, I don't see the issue.
Oh, I'm
Correct,
not seeing an issue. I'm just trying to see that. Come on, tour. Come on. It doesn't make you a little bit
I mean,
annoyed.
we
like
saw what happened to TanaCon, so
I.
you know,
Oh, that
the
was
good
so
ones, the good
painful.
ones end up being
There are
great,
no
and
good
bad
ones.
end up being TanaCon.
Just Twitch stream. God damn it! If you want tips per hour, just Twitch stream. You don't have to meet and greets. Yeah, my college has said basically nothing. It's in Maharashtra, so there's a good chance it'll just never open again.
It'll probably open next year, but
I'll just get through my year that I'm doing from home.
Adi, on a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable are you going to Maharashtra now?
8, 9. I don't give a shit. I'll survive the virus. Fucking.
No, wait, Adri, do you want to talk about the Netflix movie?
Huh?
The Netflix movie.
Oh yeah, did you guys
Oh,
see the
God.
pedophile movie?
yeah,
I
Wait,
chose
did you
not to.
actually watch it, Advait?
I watched I scrolled through it and then I saw some pretty
Okay, for the
fucking
ones who
morbid
are
shit
lost, we're talking about this movie called Cuties.
on Netflix.
On
It's
Netflix.
directed by Jeffrey Epstein and
Bro, you should see the reviews, right? Google users 5% like this film.
Bro, I
Oh
don't
my
know who saw this.
God. That's rude.
5%
5%.
deserves. Bro.
You realize you can just go to the analytics and search for all the 5% of people and just fucking straight put them.
Wait, no. Do you guys think it's getting so much backlash because how Netflix is promoting this?
No. It was
No,
everyone
Everything
at first
about
was
that
like,
movie is just...
guys, you don't understand art. It's won awards. What you don't see is that this is the promotional material that's the problem. No, the movies are shit. Movies way worse than the promotional material from what I've seen.
Look at the top voted tags: disturbing, gross, unsettling, creepy, cringeworthy, explicit, shocking,
No,
terrifying, awkward, and graphic.
you know what the problem is? Apparently the point of the movie is to show that culture is becoming too sexual towards children, and I agree. I mean, have you seen TikTok? That shit. Anybody who uses that should be put on a watch list. Okay, but I think there's a point to be made there. But okay, how do I
And I'll be
summarize
very
this?
honest with
You
you.
don't show
The-
off like you don't make a movie showing that that animal abuse is bad by just having 2 hours of people kicking puppies, right?
yeah, that's not...
No, I'll be very honest with you. Bad choice of title also.
You're very
Very
bad
bad.
choice for everything overall.
No, it's a bad choice of movie. Like whoever made this should be lynched.
I was really pissed off where everyone started complaining about the economy.
23% GDP growth.
I'm like,
What the fuck?
what did you
asshole?
expect?
11% of GDP is, I think, service is like restaurants, shops, cafes, types of industries.
Yeah.
You shut that down. Now what do you want? And then you're going to shame people if they go for
No,
restaurants
no,
and for
my
parties.
issue is why are you
No.
complaining about it?
No, you can
These are stats. Let's work on it.
No,
Like,
no, no.
lockdown is slowly being
These people
lifted,
don't
right? So let's
work
start
on
working.
anything. These are the same people whose next story will be, you can stay at home. And if I stay at home, the restaurant down the road that doesn't want to give 30% of their margins to Swiggy is not going to get business, man. Oh, guys,
Right. I think,
we had questions.
yeah, that's what I was saying. I think we're running out of time, so let's just cover this Q&A question session that we have.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we'll-
can we
who
all
wants
just
to
take
start?
turns asking questions and then we answer it?
Advait, let's start with you because you seem to have the most interesting question. So,
yeah, shoot.
Okay, shout out to Chandramouli Kaushik for asking. Give us a fun guide to grade 12. What would be like 5 do's and 5 don'ts? So like basic do's and don'ts.
Okay, so
What is shit that we should have been doing but we didn't do?
Okay, so
And
my grade 12 strat might make you feel like you're not living life at all in grade 12, but it works out great for you.
Yeah, don't worry, he's a nerd, but he that's his life.
You
work,
shouldn't ask
basically.
me at all.
Wow, bro, you
I didn't
basically
even study into it.
yeah. See, this is the kind of person you should aspire to be. Rochelle, he did all of his co-curricular nonsense, and he's probably did his entrance as well.
I mean, so then you guys would be good on points of shit to do. I'd be great on the points on shit not to do.
Not to
Me and
do.
Pradosh would be great at that.
Yeah. Okay, so study. That's all I can say. Study.
Yeah.
If you're
Great.
Really?
Like as if they didn't know
Yeah.
that they had this
no,
fucking.
no. Like genuinely study, or if you're going to fail exams anyway, don't try to pass them by cheating. That's all I can say.
Okay.
Uh,
Rochelle, do you have good advice? to
Oh,
give them?
also
Good
pick up a
advice.
hobby. Pick up a fucking hobby. Please do something.
Yeah, guys, please
you
pick up a
enjoy.
hobby if you. Yeah.
Do
Yeah,
music, drama,
do that.
something. It's just don't. And also, delete your Instagram if you have everybody you want to talk to on WhatsApp. Social media will kill you.
One more thing, guys, don't fucking fall in love.
Aww, it's something
Don't
I
do
have,
that.
like,
Don't be doing that
See,
clown
no,
simp
no,
shit.
oh yeah, actually, guys, don't do that. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
don't
get
do
it,
clown
but
simp shit,
very
thank
well,
you.
yeah,
don't do that.
don't.
After 12th you'll do, it's
number one
okay.
rule: don't.
Yeah, we
try-
sound
I
like
think
fucking Indian
I-
aunties right now.
No, because
Bro,
Yeah,
they're
but
right. Indian
My
aunties are
life,
right. Okay.
my life got messed up in 11th. 12th, I learned my lesson. It's all good.
Identify like the group of people you know are going down a wrong path and just stay away from them.
Or in
Yeah,
my
true.
case,
Or if
join
they-
them.
Or if they're smart, stick
Yeah,
with
yeah.
them.
See, whatever Advait is doing, don't do. That's
Yeah,
basically what you
don't
need.
be a me, guys. Don't be.
Don't be Advait.
Don't party. It's not worth it.
And
I'm dead
another
serious.
advice from me is do not play on the basketball court when it's wet.
Yeah, you'll
Don't
break
do
your
that.
So,
leg and
so
then you can't
basically, never
dance
fucking
anymore.
play on the basketball court.
Yeah, just don't. No, I would say this though. In 12th, no, try to talk to a lot of people. Try having conversations with different people, and try to involve yourself in these usual activities. I mean, like, see, if for example, there's fundraiser, right? I'm not asking. It's not necessary that you have to, do the fundraiser, but like get behind the scenes, the organizing part of it. That'll help you a lot in your management skills and also your oratory skills and everything.
I'd say like find people you trust to talk to, and if you think your issues are like getting really bad to a point that your friend, whatever your friend says isn't helping you, it's not anyone's fault here. You could actually go and talk to somebody about it, like professional help. It's not like it's not bad is what I like to say, because people have
It's
the bad
sometimes
conception.
good to talk to someone who can't relate. You can just who
Yeah,
personally
talk to
can't
someone
relate
you would
sometimes.
normally never talk to for like a fresh perspective. Just works, doesn't it? Just works sometimes.
Talk to an asshole. They'll probably tell you what your problem is immediately.
I mean, if you want a reality check, just DM Adri.
I mean, that's it from my side. Do you guys have anything else to say?
Yeah, number one. I mean, some of it will be recorded in audio. I didn't think you got the message, but number one thing is just don't kill yourself over this. The year won't be as bad as you think it is. Like, as long as you just focus on the normal stuff, like work, enjoy school, do that stuff. Don't. Guys, can you still hear
Wow,
me?
much a full deep.
Wow,
Yeah,
that
I
was so
think
deep,
that
bro.
deep
Fuck, I
went
lost
down.
my
I think
shit.
we
I'm 14
answered.
and this is deep. No, bro, I miss school. Honestly.
Me, okay. Adarsh asks, कभी गान में डाला है क्या?
Only your mother, rather.
No.
Next.
Oh God. And this is my cousin from US. He asks, what is DWAC?
We are a bunch of 4 dysfunctional students who try to maintain conversations and record them. And
Okay,
it works.
one
It works
question
usually.
which, Parth Pandey asks UK music or US music. I know why he's asking UK music because he's
thinking.
directly linking to KSI.
Okay, how do I say this? The KSI rant.
Oh no.
Okay, let's just put it this way:
Just
UK music or US music.
Okay.
I don't understand why all KSI fans think it's always a fight between the countries.
He's not
when
that.
it's not.
He's not
It's
that
just-
big a
it's just a-
rapper. Like I don't know why they
He-
think he's God. Like nobody looks at KSI and thinks rapper. He's a YouTube person.
Yeah.
He's an internet
I look at
person.
KSI and I think
His
fucking
rap's good though,
young
but
guy
it's
playing
still
FIFA
not.
who used to play FIFA.
Rap.
It's okay. I'm not much of
I'll
a
be
hip hop
very
guy. I'll
honest
be
with
honest.
you. I'll be very honest with you. I don't appreciate his voice. First
I
of all.
don't appreciate any of the rappers' voices. I'll be honest with you.
I don't even listen to rap, buddy.
I don't.
Yeah,
I listen
don't
to.
listen to rap.
I listen
That's
to
why I
like
said
two rap
the-
groups and that's it.
That's why I was talking to Pratosh.
Yeah,
when we met
Ratosh
recently.
listens to rap, right?
Yeah, he does all the time.
Because he was
I
just listening.
told
Because
that
I
my
remember.
favorite song from the KSI album was Houdini because I don't think there was,
It's a-
that intense of rap going on in that song.
No, I like intense rap. Like I like Bones and Ghostman and all that stuff. But
Like when you open your phone and then you click on a song that your go-to song, what genre is that song when you're clicking on it?
go-to song is wait.
I'm
I don't
supposed
know,
to see
basically-
what I played last. Oh, the last song I played was Afghan Jalebi, bro. So that just tells you a
Okay,
lot
I think
about
I think that sums up pretty well. Adri, move on to the last question.
Wait. I'm just waiting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The last song I played was "The American Nightmare" from Ice Nine Kills.
We ended up
What is
recording
the
for
last
1
song you
hour.
heard?
Yeah,
you
Rochelle,
just-
what's the last song you heard?
What was the last song I heard?
Oh yeah, what's the last song you played?
I think it's called "Gimme Gimme" by
Bro, I
someone.
straight was listening to K-pop last song. I heard.
Oh
Nice.
yeah, that's what I was listening to Dynamite. I was listening to Dynamite by BTS.
They make good songs. I just hate their fan base.
It's such
really
generic
like BTS
pop, I
Dynamite
don't
because it is
find
a
Like
big
no,
version,
they
so
make
maybe
like
there's only
happy
reason why
generic
it's
pop,
sponsored
but
by
when
it.
their fans
Yeah,
are like
exactly.
they make artistic video masterpieces, I'm like no, they don't. Their videos are just pop videos, which are nice.
Adri, next question.
Yes, so we have this question. How did you all decide you wanted to do this podcast? Like, did you get inspired somehow or was it rando? I've said
Was
this
random.
verbatim.
I think
I wanted to do this for a long time. I got Pratosh into it, and there was another host who was supposed to be into it, but he said no, and I was like, who actually, me and Pratosh decided who actually gets stuff done when it comes to creative things, and so we called Rushil.
Yeah, then after that we saw the TRP ratings on second episode, and then we called Advait.
Nah, I just had fun that episode.
We really liked how free flowing it was, the second episode, and the dynamic was pretty chill, so we got in Advait.
Also,
as a
'cause
host.
Advait has stories
Yeah,
and talks
I've
as
got-
much
I've
as
got
the rest
sto-
of us. Yeah. And then
Yeah,
I have one more.
I've got
Last question is I have another two questions. Also curious, without the editing, how long do you all spend on average filming an episode?
An
I
hour
think
and 15
I
minutes.
An
think
hour-
we're-
hour
I think
15?
If you're listening to this, the podcast might be around 30 to 35 minutes, but right now the timestamp is 55 minutes.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's
so we always spend an hour and 15.
we have minimum
cut
15.
it down.
We have minimum 15
Yeah.
minutes we cut out.
50 minutes. Yeah. So
Good.
right now we're 55 minutes into recording. So but like we still make necessary cuts and then get you the. Do you have your last question out?
Yeah, absolutely do. IPL hype. Any of you watching the IPL?
Bro, you know what's
Only
sad?
finals.
There are no
IPL
platforms here for me to watch this.
Sports. Any of you like
I'm not paying
sports?
for
You have
Hotstar.
Hotstar, no?
I'm not paying for Hotstar.
Uh,
Every year I end
I
up
am-
fucking paying and forgetting to cancel the thing.
okay, so
I am
all I can say
watching-
about the IPL is go Bombay. Yay, we got this. And honestly,
that's
no,
what happened
bro. I
last
mean,
night, the last
I've
30
never
minutes
wanted
they
to
were
watch.
doing.
Rushil, what team do you support IPL?
Orange Army, bro.
Sunrisers.
That's
Yeah,
about it.
bro.
Fuck off.
Bro, you have to be
Pratosh,
RCB fan.
do you
Better than
do you
supporting
follow
RCB, no.
or like-
Better than supporting
Obviously, I'm
no,
RCB,
shut
bro.
up.
Gotta
How
be
does it
RCB
feel
fan.
to have no trophies? Like I'm rooting for you more than the team I actually support because, like, please, bhai, ek de de.
No, I'm watching the IPL, but it's not the same hype, you know.
It's not summer that you do and you enjoy your day, and then at 7:30 you come and
Oh,
watch
bro,
the match.
bro, you know what is freaky? Yesterday I was watching a live stream and then they, there's no one in the stadium, but then they're playing background music
Yeah,
with
yeah,
fans
yeah.
cheering. That shit
Yeah.
freaked me out for like 5 minutes. I'm like, who the fuck is that one guy in the audience screaming and why does he sound like this?
That's
Pratosh, or at least at home, are you guys like CSK fans or like something?
My
Yeah.
entire house is CSK fan except me.
Oh, F.
NRG, am
Parents
I
don't
right?
give-
It's
Invictus.
so weird.
My
Yeah, I
parents
mean,
don't even like IPL. I'm the only one who sits and watches IPL.
Oh yeah, no, my dad
No,
hates it
see,
because
every time there's a CSK match, it's like full loud in my house. I'll clap.
Oh, there is no noise. My grandmom peacefully watches every KKR match because she's been watching cricket since I don't know Gavaskar, so she's ancient.
I think that's it for today's episode.
It
guys.
is really, isn't it? We're just
yes,
dragging
yes,
at this
yes,
point.
yes.
So guys, thanks for listening. I
Yeah,
swear,
guys, thanks for
We'll
tuning
get
in
you the
to
next
this
episode
episode
soon.
after a whole month's gap.
If we had any
Yeah, I
audience,
mean-
it's gone now.
It
Like,
was a necessary gap taken, but anyways, guys, you know where to find us. We're available on every major platform. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.